Hi, it's Phil from Teachblend, and in this quick video we're going to look at Microsoft Teams and Together Mode. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we can enable Together Mode for our staff meetings or student meetings, but also how we can change our settings so that we can choose different scenes. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please remember to like and subscribe to Teachblend. It really helps. So as you can see here, I'm in a regular meeting, and what I need to do is choose the More Options button, which is the three dots. Once I've done this, I need to choose the Together Mode option. And what this will do is then put all of us together inside a new scene. As you can see here, it will also remove the background for us. But what you can do now is on the left hand side, choose Change Scene, and you can choose various scenes such as coffee shop settings, lecture theatres and more. And here you can also see some Christmas scenes. Now, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please remember to like and subscribe to Teachblend. It really helps.